Did you know that 80% of a product's environmental impact is decided during its design phase? From a simple plastic bottle to smartphone, everything has a journey. But how do we measure the true cost of these products on our planet? അവിടെയാണ് ലൈഫ് സൈക്കിൾ അസസ്മെന്റ് അഥവാ LCA വരുന്നത്. Life cycle assessment is a scientific method to measure the environmental impact of a product or a process from its start to finish. That is, from the raw material extraction to its disposal. ഇത് പോളിസി മേക്കേഴ്സിനും കമ്പനീസിനും ഒരു ബെറ്റർ ആൻഡ് ഗ്രീനർ ഡിസിഷൻസ് എടുക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. Life cycle assessment is divided into 4 key stages. Raw material extraction. Where do the materials come from and how much energy is used for? For example, mining for metals like lithium can deplete natural resources and harm ecosystems. Second, manufacturing and production. How much pollution is generated during the production? For example, factories often release greenhouse gases and toxic chemicals. The third one, usage and maintenance. How does using the product affect the environment? For example, a car's fuel consumption contributes to air pollution over its lifetime. And the fourth one is the end of life. That is disposal or recycling. That is, does it end up in a landfill or get reused? For example, the US Environmental Protection Agency states that recycling aluminium saves 95% of the energy required to produce new aluminium from raw materials. Why is life cycle assessment important? LCA helps us to understand the true environmental cost of a product. It reduces emissions. Studies show that the companies using LCA reduce their carbon footprint up to 30%. For example, a 2020 study in the Journal of Cleaner Production highlighted how manufacturers identified inefficiencies in material use and energy consumption, leading to a significant emission reductions. LCA supports ESG reporting and carbon accounting. By quantifying environmental impacts, life cycle assessment strengthens sustainability reporting and aligns with ESG goals. Also, LCA guides better product design. Companies like Apple used the LCA insights to redesign their packaging, switching to recycled materials, etc. This effort reduced the carbon footprint of their packaging by 40%, showcasing how LCA can drive meaningful change. By understanding this cost, we can create products not only better for the planet, but also more cost-effective and resource efficient. In construction, LCA helps to measure embodied carbon. For example, architects use LCA to compare materials like steel versus timber, finding that timber can reduce a building's carbon footprint by 30%. Furniture. The company IKEA used LCA to assess its furniture lines. By switching from virgin wood to recycled materials, they reduced carbon emissions by 40%, proving the power of sustainable design. In transportation, the company Ford redesigned vehicles with lightweight materials, improved fuel efficiency, reducing life cycle emissions by 25%. This shows how LCA can drive innovation in sustainable mobility. By analyzing the life cycle of products, we can make informed choices and reduce environmental impact. We help organizations to measure, manage, and reduce the carbon footprint through carbon accounting and ESG reporting. Want to make your business more sustainable? Let's work together.